Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Komisi Benta ban penjana susu ia kajing syakri hakaliang ka kot kakhia ia kitu kinongpang ki buan Pasumar ha Civil Hospital Shillong. Hakani kekanti katnat ka kot kakhia ke Jela Meghalaya kalapan biang saya kawai kalat jing sumar ha Civil Hospital. Kani kalat a jing sumar ki nongpang ka bathamai hakani ka jaka sumar jong ka sarkar kadai ka cardiac care unit CCU ya ka ba la plepat ba da u menteri sarkar u bakhmi ia kani katnan uba Alexander L. Hag ringkat ke jenan lang u surgeon superintendent jong ka Civil Hospital Shillong u Dr. S.S. Nongbri bat ki wedi ki doktor bakinas bat yakani ka CCU la ple ha ka khatsan tarek menta u nailar arajar arpo kani ka project CCU ha Civil Hospital Shillong kadai shibenta jong ka National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Diseases and Stroke East Khasi Hills ka bahapo jong ka National Health Mission
to inaugurate something achievement for the state of Meghalaya. So I take my privilege and honor to unveil the plaque of this CCU which is being inaugurated today. Congratulations to all of you who have made the efforts. For Ram, it is difficult camera also to cover things. And services. Congratulations to all of you.
This is walking station. We have got 2 beds.
Okay. 2 beds only, no?
So Dr. Jahan, Dr. Andres,
Okay.
will be taking care of this.
Okay. She's Dr. Jahan.
Okay.
She's the specialist who will be looking after this CCU.
The ventilators, we have Dr. Majao who will be looking after the ventilator. Then we have transport for the cardiac thing. This is the defibrillator. We have.
Okay. Yes, if there is any positive cases also, it can be isolated.
Except if you close the